Hi, I'm Gretchen Rickards. I'm a physician and executive coach who helps healthcare professionals to elevate their leadership, embrace transitions, and thrive through change. If you're like many of us in healthcare, networking is a skill we were never taught, which means it can often feel uncomfortable or extremely awkward. But whether you're building a brand or exploring entrepreneurship or stepping into leadership, one timeless truth remains. People do business with people they know, like, and trust. That means genuine relationships are key. And even in a digital world, in person networking is still the fastest and most effective way to build genuine relationships. In my session, I'll share practical networking strategies that actually work. I'll share timeless principles and concrete techniques that you can start using right away to take the pain out of networking. I hope to see you there.